Aye, so it sits like that when you're driving about. It's only got like 7,700 odd miles on it. I like the Range Rover, or Land Rover. I think that's a dog. I like him barking. Doesn't make sense, like. Just to leave everything. No, you just have to get wash your colour. I know. Quickly. So come along here. Watch that branch. Oh really? Big dairy mixer. I can't remember coming in here. Maybe he's one up when we come. I see now. What the hell are they?
Tell you what, I think they would make a fucking noise if you smashed them.
What milk? They're the milk things, aren't they?
Pyrex silver. They were money that made in England.
What are they like for milk?
I don't know. I'm guessing so. There's a skull in that one.
Oh. No, it's not.
Is it not?
I don't know. Oh, let's keep going. I was milking, man. You can see where all the udders sucker things are. Like that. Aye, there've been all the milking things.
I'll milk you.
You will not. I'm telling you who. It's all like twine, isn't it?
I bet it, like.
Aye, they would have had them lined up, wouldn't they, and just pumped all the crap out of them.
It wasn't a hard idea, this.
Aye, well, you would have to if a car was trying to break out.
Smell, you lose.
The rock is cooking. I'll take it's a plough in it. Hmm? They're great, like. Looks like it's all changed. What's that? Everything's different. Or was it just me?
There's a cross been going on everything. Oh, Lewis. That's fucking me!
Oh,
I remember doing that with my last team. Yeah, that's me.
it's like, I'm sure the chairs were in some of these when we first come.
They were? That's fucking me.
Oh, unless.
So surprised there's people in there. I have a.
Actually, no, I can't remember. I don't know if there was any in the back, you know.
Price that open and see what was in the book.
What's the mileage on it?
7,000.
Is that it? It's such an old car, you would reckon it would be a bit more. So now you don't know how long it's been here for, look, do you? That's a nasty little ankle slap, aren't they? It is, isn't it?
What was them things called? I remember Left 4 Dead. Them
Boomers, which ones?
No, the ones that used to cry.
Oh, witches.
Is that what they were? I was sitting in the corner and crying. And then they used to run at you. They've all been in the boots, man. Most of the boots have been moving. Wheels have gone.
They might have already been gone. There's a jack in there still. I do not want one of them, like, it's worth knowing it. R601. What year is that then? I like the Range Rover, or Land Rover.
Second hand car, I think that was like 1 previous owner.
Oh, I do. Barry Chuckle.
Who's Rovers?
Plus Hofer. Don't know.
Barry Chuckle gets one.
Red Dragon urbex. Do you want to do that?
Out of the fucking door. That's just a flip and that. I'll pop the door.
Should just open from the inside, shouldn't it? Don't worry with it. I had a Range Rover and I was right the first time. It's on Land Rover.
Range Rover.
Well, Range Rover. See, they've been looking in the car and they took out off here. Well, they're not been.
They've been taking parts of cars. These were never open like this.
It's a poor way saying that we didn't open them, so we wouldn't have known, would we? I mean, we were here forever last time.
Wow. Look at the fucking age of that.
It's lemon, you know?
Mate, I don't think it's... no, there's water in it.
I could be pissed, mine doing nothing else.
There's the date on it. February 03.
Can you remember this? Yeah, look. Can you remember the range in the corner? Connor. You remember the range in the corner, yeah? That must have been overgrown the last time, so I can't remember that.
No, that was... it's the chimney, that.
I can't remember. You reckon?
I don't know, that one looks further forward.
I don't think just someone's rived the door clean up. Wonder what's it like. Oh, my head. What's that? I can't dig in the fire engine.
Aye, aye. My landlord put one of them in the shop. I swear down, put one in the toilet. Still starting.
Exploring with who? They've ripped it off. That's meant like look like a mini milk float. Have they been? Yeah, come on. I think they've been taking the cats. Look at this, mate. Is that another cat on the floor? Cat converter. Is that a cat converter, isn't it? Was that an exhaust or was that of a cat converter? Because there's a couple of them there.
Exhaust?
Are they exhaust or cat converters?
One or two.
One's worth a lot of money. Yeah, looks like people have been trying to steal them. Oh, he's massive. He's mad, this. And I'm 3 inches and tall. You can just imagine sitting here on your way to an emergency. Man. I didn't know who that was there. Move the hose about. Can you move the hose?
What?
Move the hose. Not turn. Ah, the other one turns like. Dennis. They're Black Pro fire engines, aren't they? You're gonna be the passenger, I'll be the driver.
What's it?
I'm the driver.
You can fat you the horse.
Giddy up, it's gonna be a bumpy ride. Look,
What's that say?
toggle gearbox daily. It's like a fucking PlayStation game. XYZ. Surprised no one's taking the dials out, like.
That was used for the editor.
Aye, but people keep memorabilia from weird stuff. Look at this, what's this? You're making weird fucking noises, you. It's only got like 7,700 odd miles on it. It's wide, sir. Runaway search. What? Fog water.
Sure.
Oh no, it's not.
I will get some bird poo.
Well, you can push the things forward and then slot the gaps out to stop them from
Look
moving.
at that wasted room at the front door.
Aye, but you've got to store a lot of water, you know. This isn't all just going, all the gears in the back, innit? Know what I mean?
There's a CTR, there's a CTR.
This is how I've got water in it. There's a heat.
Then again, these are all these on there.
They're the Blackpool ones, they're from the airport. Steady up, boy, I'm going down. Feels weird, like.
Oh, that's weird. It's fun, isn't it?
Oh, why is that? I as well the gear. Oh, you seen the pump? You dicky the pump here. That's it closed. Stop it, man. You can't put your foot on the fucking man. You can't do that, man. No, come, man. Put your foot on there, you fucking fit cunt, man. God's sake. You're a knacker, you like. There's not an item left. Everything has been taken out, man. Why? You know what, Connor, it reminds me of, you know, when you were a kid and the fire engine used to come to a Goose Hill. That's what it feels like. Now when you were a little Ben and you used to get to go and you used to have a little go, the fire hose everyone. And like a Ben. Here's a bobby hose.
Yeah, well, your lass doesn't like you. She doesn't, she just puts up with you, there's a difference.
Yeah, Dad, pass it up. I like the ancient water things and all.
It's recording.
Come on. Different fall. Oh, good. Going up there, Dodge. It's great up here. And what we missed last time? What?
What is that?
Don't know. I'll have to have a look at that. Past just there. Like. So I thought we had to be quiet because you see what. Oh man, Jenkins.
Oh yeah.
You want to be the control man? Come on, jump inside. There's a fucking forklift and all sorts here.
Yeah.
What are you doing, man? Putting out fires since 1998.
1997, however, come.
Don't be like that. Look, man. Great little spot this way, Connor. Until the covers turn up like. They'll come for you. Does it do a full 360?
No.
Twist it up, lift it up. Didn't let it drop because it bangs like out. I've done it.
Is it not meant to sit on
No,
there?
no. How you meant to lift that up?
Yeah, but is it not meant to sit on there?
It's not, man.
Now when it's moving.
Oh right, yeah, you're right. You're intelligent for something, like. Yeah, gotcha. Nice, it sits like that when you're driving about. There's so many, like. 4, 5. Wonder what movie you used to have been. Look, Connor. It's just got all the pumps in it, man. All the pumps and gauges, that's why it's so much room. Decay the vape.
Oh, it's off a spark plug. You're bam!
It's nasty, like. You got about like that, you. WWE SmackDown. They're great, these, like, I love them. Not why. It's just like the zombie apocalypse vibe I like. Yeah. It's just like the world's just ended and everyone's trying to escape on the runway and that's it. Deeded. Isn't it?
S6 boys have one of these, didn't they?
Something similar, like. They got the heats blown off, didn't they, sadly?
Fucking grass.
Aye.
Yeah, do you fucking it?
Super grass. Do you remember the knuckle blade in here? Remember the blade in here? Do you remember? Oh, it's a sawmill, look. It's in the size of that.
Shit, no way was at our house. Oh no, it's Stratford upon Avon, that. The postcards.
Sam Knacker got you there, didn't he? Someone's been having a little party, yeah.
Party?
Just seats. Don't put Connor in the corner.
It's a fucking waiting area, this car. 2001. Insurance.
That doesn't mean that though. 10 million? No. Million?
What's it for?
Pound, that's like pennies.
5 million for each and every claim. Public liability.
I'm hungry now, like. I'm hungry.
Hungry?
Aye. Hi, hungry. I'm not Connor.
I don't think we had breakfast at 6 o'clock this morning.
It's like 12 now, man.
It's like 1. It's 1:45.
Just shite, man.
See if it's open.
Yeah, it'll be locked on, like. What did you make loads of banging here?
That's what.
Yeah.
I'm surprised it's locked.
Right. No one's really bothered about them, are they? Hey, text, you know what it is? If you wanted to get these things out, it would text them doing new, like. Whoa, look at. It's Minecraft. Pickaxe. Pickaxe. Someone sat on that, or you think they've walked on that glass. Remember the hole? I think that's a dog. I like him barking. And Ali, what do you think? I can.
Stay in Ashford if you want.
Huh?
Stay in Ashford if you want.